Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to manage surveillance settings on your Xiaomi Smart Camera C500. So, what you guys want to do first is open up your camera. So let's click open in the Xiaomi Home app. Here we want to go over to the surveillance. So this is where you guys can have it. Now as you guys can see here, we have the surveillance of when a person moved. So as you guys can see, we can play it, as you guys can see. Now, what can we do with it? For an example, we can click right here. We can see that the person moved, motion detected, or a pet detected. So this is using AI to do that. Now, it only has 3 cases for me. Now, what we can do with it is basically whenever we go here, we can go over and delete, for example. We can delete this event. As you guys can see, we have successfully deleted it. What else can we do? We can easily stop it here. We can increase or decrease the playback speed. Here we can enable the sound of it. And also, what can we do? We can download it into our device or share it with somebody. So after we click the share button, we are going to share an entire video. As you guys can see, we can share it through, let's say, AirDrop, messages, and even more. So we can easily click here, and here we can find the apps where we can easily share it. Now, as you guys can see, we can also play it in the full screen. Now this is how it looks like. So we have a clear view of what's happening on the surveillance, and that's what you guys can do. So here you guys can again sort it, and that's basically it. So, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.